Just imagine a small mango seed turning into your own mini mango tree at home. In this amazing journey, we'll reveal
The first stage of growing a mini mango tree is preparing the mango seed for successful germination. Proper water, sunlight, and nutrients help the mango tree develop strong roots and healthy leaves.
A healthy root system is the foundation for strong mini mango tree growth.
Balanced sunlight and climate conditions help the mango tree grow stronger and healthier.
Check the Brix levels on the latest reading. It's higher than expected for this cultivar. We should note the soil moisture too.
Every mini mango tree is monitored carefully to ensure healthy development. After careful growing and training, the mini mango tree is ready to become part of a home garden.
The correct planting method helps the mini mango tree continue growing successfully at home.
The correct planting method helps the mini mango tree continue growing successfully at home.
Pollination is an important step that allows the mini mango tree to produce healthy mango fruits.
Now you know how to grow a mini mango tree at home, from seed preparation to a healthy fruit-producing tree. With patience, care, and